Each wound became a source of light. I've learned that healing wears a crown of ashes where I won't back down. Beneath the flame, I find my grace. In every scar, I see your face. The pain once burned, now lights my way. Through brokenness, I choose to stay. The past still whispers in my bones, but I've made peace with all I've known. Each tear a seed, each loss a guide. The fire within won't ever hide. In silence I begin again. Truest friend, beneath the flame, I find my grace. In every scar, I see your face. The pain once burned, now lights my way. Through brokenness, I choose to stay. I choose to stay.